Alright, we're back with part 2 of that video. I acquired that box of foreign coins. We went through partial of the Japanese yen. Still have more to do, so we'll see how well the first video does, and if people want me to do more, I'll do more. So that's off to the side for now. Next, we're going to do this other random assortment. I took a brief look. I think I saw some silver in here. Some maybe old Australian, maybe Scottish, UK silver. So we'll see what we find, and we'll see you in a second. We got those coins laid out. Let's have a peek. Oh, how cool. I've never seen this coin before. Aloha Kauai 1973. Kauai dollar. And I think I saw another one. Yeah, oh no, that's not it. Yeah, right here. So, same thing. 1973. I mean, these have to be commemorative. So, we'll put these off to the side. If you guys know more about it, just leave a comment. And let's see what else we can discern here. What was the other one I picked up? What is this here? First Bridge, Mississippi River, Rock Island Lines. 70 years of service. This looks pretty old. 1852 to 1922 token. Oh, that's kind of cool. I've never seen that. That's a keeper. What else we got here? What year is this? Discern a year. I'll have to look on the microscope later for that one. Okay. We got this one looks old. What do we got here? I would say Indochina. $19.39. That's an old one, 5 cent. Republic. Frankie's, okay. What else can we pick? Public Ecuador, 1979. Okay. Sixpence, 1951. That's I'm pretty sure this is Australian. Yeah, this is definitely an Australian one. I believe this is silver. Oh, that's cool. Put this one off the side. Any other good-looking ones here? Polynesian, 67. That's pretty cool. What's this one? Ecuador, 1979. What is this guy? No idea. But if you guys have an idea, leave a comment. What's this? $72. Half crown, 1960. How interesting. Barbados dollar. Looks like another. What is this? 71 Philippines. What's this? 1 shilling, 1961. I believe that crest is a Scottish crest, so it might be from Scotland. Oh, a Balboa. Okay. We have a date. 66. I'm not sure. That could be silver. I'm not sure yet. 1965, 1 rupee. Possibly silver. I'm going to have to look at these. Again, I'm not very familiar with foreign coins. 1966. Centavos. $19.56, 1 shilling. That's, I believe that's got to be silver. Yeah, put that on the side too. Again, if you guys see anything I don't see, let me know. Ooh, this is an oldie. 1956, 2 shilling. It's got to be UK. Well, look at this Australian penny. That's kind of cool. I haven't seen one of those. What's this big one here? 50 cents. Don't see a date. Oh, there it is. 1970. That's a nice looking coin. $1965, 50 cent. Don't know where that's from. Oh, Balboa here. What year is this guy? 96. Those ones are interesting. I think we looked through that one. Oh, what's this guy? Oh, Australian 1947. That's definitely silver. Yeah, that's a keeper. What does this say? Ein shilling? 1961 shilling. Okay. Yeah, these little coins are pretty cool. 1961 Deutschmark. Not sure. Oh, that's cool. Oh, 1980. 10 francs. 3. 78. Which one haven't I seen yet? Oh, another 57 Australian. Oh, cool. That's definitely silver. What's this? This one looks pretty old. Oh, 1944. One Piece, India. Okay. That's pretty cool. 1950. Deutschland. Okay. 10 pence. Again, if I'm messing up with these, you guys let me know. Because I obviously don't know what I'm looking for. All I know is that these are pretty cool to go through. And that I'm learning. Oh, what's this? 1950. 10 pence. I think we've gone through most of these. Do a brief once over. Saw a year. Oh, 1959. 3 pence. Don't know where that's from exactly, but it's pretty cool. It's an old one. No, that's a 1939. That's pretty old. Frankie's. I want to say French, but you know what? I'm probably wrong because I don't know what I'm looking at. 20 cent. Okay. That could be silver. I don't know. I'll have to look. Alright guys, I think I am done with this lot. Nothing really else is popping out at me, but these are all pretty cool. If you guys see something interesting or rare, just let me know. And then we're gonna have to make another video for the other assortments because we got a heck of a lot. So I'll see you guys next time.